Okay, so I'm here with Sylvia. And Sylvia, can you tell us what it was that brought you here to our clinic?
A lot of pain in so many body parts that it's almost embarrassing.
Okay.
So I had broken my left toe.
Mm-hmm.
I had broken my right hand.
Mm-hmm.
Every doctor that's seen me, and not that I go to a lot, but definitely wanted me to get hip replacement surgery in my right hip.
Mm-hmm.
And I have pretty extensive scoliosis, so I had a lot of back pain.
So back pain, hip pain, foot pain, hand pain. Okay. Okay, so I won't ask if there's any place that wasn't hurting because there's a lot of places that we didn't cover.
But that's kind of a
significant.
lot.
Yeah, that's significant. And what kind of things have you done for this before coming to see me?
Well, I've been wearing a cast on my hand that's been extremely annoying, and taking it off and putting it on is more painful than the break, it seems.
And that was just a week ago.
Yes.
That you broke it.
Yes.
Okay. And what else have you done? What have you done for the hip?
Okay, for the hip, I've had a cortisone shot, but then I've heard that it just puts a lot of poison into your body, and it's not safe for your bones.
Now, it helped for a while, though, right?
But it did help for a while, but when I went to get another one, I was seeing an osteopath, and he just said it's too dangerous for your body. It's too damaging.
I'm not a big fan of those.
Yeah, and that scared me.
Okay. And then your foot, you haven't done anything with the foot.
No, except limp.
Except limp, yeah. And what kind of problem had all this stuff caused in your life?
A lot. It limited everything. I love everything outdoors. It limited my walking because I was limping so terribly. And even when I didn't have a broken foot, it's really hard to walk a distance when my back and my hip are both so painful.
Now, I will say, Sylvia, I was very impressed with you because you are one of those people that's incredibly fit and active and doing everything. And I was concerned for you because for the first time possibly in your life, things were starting to slow you down.
I was concerned too because I feel like I've done everything. I mean, I lift weights, I do ballet, I do yoga, and I do aerobics. And I just thought I would be healthy and strong my whole life. And, my mom's 90-something and she's healthy and strong.
Right.
And I was becoming an old woman in a very short time. It scared the hell out of me.
So how did we treat you?
With pure kindness.
Wow.
And
wow.
Nothing hurt. But everything you touched that hurt, you just found a way to make it not hurt. That's all.
And so where all did we treat your pain?
Everywhere. We treated my foot, and it doesn't hurt.
The pain's gone.
The pain is gone. We treated my hand, and it's not that my hand hurts, but my hand is still a little stiff, but I couldn't make a fist when I came in.
And you can make a fist now.
And now
Look at
I
that.
can.
It's just going right in there.
That's right.
That's stunning.
That's right. And the place where I broke it doesn't hurt at all. The greater pain is trying to get the cast off.
And it was broke just a week ago.
I just broke it a
and
week
the pain's
ago.
gone. Okay.
And then my back was the worst. So I just want you to know this morning when I got out of bed, I crab walked into the kitchen and crab walked most of the morning. And I was standing straighter when I came in, but it just really hurts to walk a lot.
And your hip.
That's my back and my hip.
And you came in asking for a hip injection because you didn't want a replacement.
I do not want to do a hip replacement. I just don't believe in it. I think it's but I was ready to because I just had to get out of pain.
Now the treatment we did today, we got you pain-free just with touching you. I mean, there was no
pain in
no
anything.
pokes, no manipulations, no popping bones, no jumping up and down or anything.
And while you were gone, I practiced walking, and I'm just walking.
Normal.
Yes.
Okay.
Thank you, Doc.
Now, here's the thing. This is my first time seeing you. I've never seen you before.
That's right.
So there's zero promises this is going to last with just one treatment.
You said that.
But I have to admit, even I am stunned. And it takes quite a bit to get me stunned these days. So, Sylvia, is there anything you want to share with somebody who might be watching this?
Yes. I was going to tell you, I don't know. I'm amazed that I found you. If I didn't know Pamela McDougall, I wouldn't have found you.
Pamela's such a sweetheart.
Yeah, and I just hope other people can find you.
Do you mind if we put this on Facebook, YouTube, website, advertising purposes, all that kind of stuff? Is that okay?
Normally I wouldn't do that because people know me.
Yeah.
But I think you need to do it because people need to know that they can become pain-free without these extreme measures.
Without being cut open and flayed into how many pieces?
Yeah, I just don't want to. I didn't want to do that, but I was ready to because I just needed to get out of pain.
Sylvia, thank you so much.
Thank you, Doc. Thank you.